Everybody is on social media, and most of the time, especially the millennials, they do have their own languages that some do not understand. Hello guys, it's me again, your friend Scott or Mistercmt, and welcome back to my channel. Millennials love to rush on things. Even their words are shortened. For them, it is to shorten the time to achieve goals, which I don't understand sometimes. Let me show you 30 most famous millennial acronyms that can be seen when you are reading their post. Did I miss anything? Put in the comment section below. Thank you for following my social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Oh, by the way, when you get the chance to see me in public, especially when I'm in the Philippines, do not hesitate to approach me. Who knows, you might end up having this heart-shaped 1,000 peso bill. If you can prove that you're one of my subscribers.
Yeah.